Hello and welcome to Daily Tech Tutor. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to use ChatGPT or any AI to write thank you notes. So let's get started with the video. So I'm using ChatGPT over here. We need to write a prompt and we should know why we are using. For example, I've created a prompt here. Can you help me write a professional thank you note to a client for renewing their contract with us for another year? You can mention your requirement over here. For example, I'm changing the requirement to a mentor who helped me for preparing for my interviews as I got selected. And you can give this prompt to ChatGPT, and as you can see here, they have prepared a thank you note for you within the mention and all the details over here. You just need to make changes to this square bracket details. Here the mentor name, here your full name. So if the tutorial was helpful, please like and subscribe.